In this video, we'll be talking about winning products that sell like hotcakes to sell to make thousands of dollars each month. And we'll also be giving you content ideas for each product to give you a head start on your online business. The first product is a rose box that has a necklace inside it. So we clicked on the creator's video, and this video has over 40 million views. Now we're going to look at their website just to see how it looks like. And they sell the eternal rose box with engraved necklace and real rose on sale for $49.97. And let's see how much they get it for on AliExpress. And AliExpress sells it from $2, and this costs $3.22, and it comes in multiple colors which you can choose from, which includes baby pink, red, baby blue, and navy. And you can create similar types of videos to get traction on your site and to increase your sales. So video content ideas for this product include creating a scenario where someone gifts the rotating rose box to their partner, capturing their reaction and the romantic setting. You should also discuss different occasions where the rotating rose gift box would be the perfect gift, like anniversaries, birthdays, or Valentine's Day. The third content idea is to create a short, engaging story or skit around the gift box, maybe portraying it as a magical or treasured item. The next product you can sell is the turtle pillow, and this has recently gone viral on TikTok, just like this one. So we're going to go on their profile, look at their videos, and then click on their website. And they sell their turtle pillow for $119.99, but it's on sale for $59.99. And they also have a size for kids and adults. Their website is very clean, they have different deals, they have free shipping, and they have different videos and reviews that make you want to buy. And let's see how much they sell it on AliExpress. And their prices are from $6.24, depending on the size. So before ordering them from your supplier, make sure to look at the reviews to make sure that they're good quality. For the turtle pillow, you should create an unboxing video and show the excitement of unboxing the turtle pillow, highlighting its unique features and design, and capture genuine first impressions and reactions. The second idea is to create a day in the life of a turtle pillow. Create a funny day in the life video from the perspective of the turtle pillow, showing it in various settings around the house and even going out on small adventures. You should also create a story time. Create a short story or mini-series featuring the turtle pillow as a character, engaging the viewers with different elements like choosing what happens next. The next product you can sell is a carrot plushie. And this video has been getting lots of views, so we're going to go on their profile. They have two viral videos. One has 9 million views and the other one has 45 million views. And the video is only 9 seconds long. Then we're going to click on their website, and we're going to click on the one that says reversible carrot strawberry bunny plushies. And they have different sizes, small, medium, and large. They sell the small one for $24.95, the medium size for $36.95, and the large size for $49.99. And let's see how much you can find it on AliExpress. And the price for these are from 99 cents. And they have different sizes, and they have carrots and strawberry plushies that you can choose from. The first idea is creating storytelling videos. Use the rabbit plushie as a character in a story, creating imaginative stories that can entertain your viewers. The second idea is to create a stop-motion video with the plushie, showing it in a very fun adventure or a cute scenario, like exploring a garden or having a tea party. Another idea is to feature real customers or family members in a public place, asking them to guess the price of the rabbit plushie or ask them if they would buy one. The next product you can sell is a kitchen electric cleaning brush. We saw this video and we're going to go on their profile, and then we're going to click on their website. And their website looks very clean. They also have free shipping worldwide. And they have their electric brushes for $24.99, originally priced at $34.99. Let's see how much they cost on AliExpress. They cost from $1.40. Keep in mind to order a sample from your supplier just to see if the quality is very good. You can also start creating videos for your online store and post them on TikTok and Instagram. Start a cleaning challenge where you compare the time and effort taken to clean dishes by hand versus using the electric brush, encouraging followers to try and buy your product. Create a how-to video explaining the best ways to use the brush for different types of dishes and stains, providing valuable tips and tricks. And create an unboxing video to showcase the packaging, different features, and attachments of the brush, along with a quick demo. The next product you can sell is a shark onesie/blanket. And they've been going so viral lately on TikTok. Now we're going to check their website, and they're selling one for 33 pounds on sale, originally priced at 74 pounds. And they have blue and pink, and they have different sizes ranging from medium, large, X large, and 2X large. Let's see how much you can get them on AliExpress. Their cost starts from $8.15, and they have different colors and different sizes. And if you're considering getting this product, make sure you have a range of sizes and colors so you can have lots of customers. Create funny skits where someone wearing the shark onesie or blanket playfully attacks family members or friends lounging at home. Create a cozy setup for a movie night with the shark blanket or onesie, maybe watching popular shark-themed movies or documentaries. Pair the shark blanket or onesie with fun facts about sharks, showing entertainment with education for your audience. Next is the breathing odor teddy bear. Many videos have been getting millions and millions of views using this product, just like this video. So we're gonna go on their profile, then click on their website. On their website, they're selling it for $35.50. And let's see how much you can get it for on Alibaba. So for a minimum order of 50 pieces, each one costs $12.15. And from 200 to 499 pieces, each one costs $11.95. And the price of your product decreases as long as you buy in bulk. And keep in mind that you should change the design of the breathing odor and change it to another animal because the original design belongs to a company called Fisher-Price, and so the company won't sue you. On AliExpress, on the other hand, it costs $63.80, so it's best and cheaper to buy it from Alibaba. Create an ASMR style video where the main focus is the soothing sound of the odor's breathing, appealing to those who enjoy sensory content. Create a calming video showing the odor in a cozy setting, highlighting how its breathing motion and sound can help with relaxation and reduce anxiety. Create a video showing people how they can use the odor for stress relief during various activities like studying, working, or before sleeping.